Hi, this is Queen with AEvent support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Roseanne to your AEvent account and the on-registration options available with this integration. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. And by the way, you have to make sure that you have your Roseanne account's email address and password because you will be prompted for that once we integrate it to your AEvent account. So let's log into your AEvent account. And from here, you just have to go to integrations and let's click on add integration from the upper right hand side. Let's look for Roseanne. And then when you click on this drop down arrow, you can already see the timeline actions that you can create with Roseanne. You can send SMS, add contact to list, add tag, and remove contact from list. But for the purposes of this video, we will be adding this integration first. So just click on add integration and you can label it however you want, but we suggest that you label it accordingly so that it will become easily identifiable in case you need to add another Roseanne integration in the future. So for this video, I'll be naming it Roseanne Queen. Click on connect once you're satisfied. And as what I mentioned earlier, you will be prompted for Roseanne's email address or username and password. So make sure that you have that handy. You just have to click on continue. And as you can see, we have successfully integrated Roseanne to your AEvent account. So we'll be testing it to make sure that we establish a successful connection. So there you go. After this, what we'll do next is we will be enabling Roseanne for your timeline. So just navigate to the timeline section, open your timeline and go to the integration section. From here, let's look for Roseanne. Here it is. As you can see, it's currently disabled. So to activate it, you just have to toggle the switch and we'll be able to access the integration settings by clicking on this gear icon. And from here, as you can see, we can send SMS on registration. So let's just tick this box and we can add personalization values from here. You just have to click on this personalization icon. So I'll be putting in the first name of the subscriber and I'll also be adding the join link. So click on the personalization value again and look for join URL. And there you go. Aside from sending SMS, we can also add to list upon registration. So just tick that box, click on the drop down arrow, and let's add them to this list. And let's also add tag on registration by ticking this box, and we'll be adding them to this tag. So once you're satisfied with the changes, you just have to click on update settings to make sure the changes are saved. So there you go. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you.